Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an Oraloa painting to unbox and share with you today. This one is called Whimsy by the Sea. I actually got a delivery of a few Oraloa paintings to share with you over the next few months. Some rather exciting ones that I absolutely love the look of. But yeah, let's start with this one. If I can get in it. It is a round diamond one, this one. I'm trying to see. I think many of them do come in both round and square. There's a lot of them that do. But I did tell them I was happy with either round or square. So this one is in round. It is by the artist Alida Acres. So Alida Acres, it is 50 centimetres by 36.9 centimetres. But anyway, let's have a look-see this way round. Oh, that is pretty. So you do get all sorts of little bits. So you do get a little welcome to Oraloa and instructions. If you are new to diamond painting, you do get a little bit of a step-by-step guide. You get some extremely funky stickers. So we have 55 colours in this painting. We have 3 AB. So that's always nice, but yeah, it's got all the details here as well. So Alida Acres, Whimsy by the Sea, 50 by 36.9 centimetres. And that is the image. Absolutely beautiful. You do also get a really nice toolkit actually from Oraloa. Jam-packed full of goodies. If I can get hold of them all. See, just get the gift that keeps on giving, this one. So you get a little plastic coaster, an Oraloa coaster. You get, it's a bit like a beer mat type thing. You then get a little scratch me card. You get a sticker. And I think this is another sticker. Yeah. Welcome to Oraloa Tropical Party. You get the nice white boat. You get the nice white boat. You get wax in a pot. You get some washi tape, which is always nice around the edges of your painting, just to stop any excess glue picking up the fluff off your clothes. You get a multi-placer pen with a 3-placer squishy for your pen and a nice pair of metal tweezers. These ones are pink. So always a nice toolkit from them. Let's bob that in there because, as we know, I have been diamond painting for a while, so I like to use my own trays and pens. But yeah, this is the image, not too big, not too small. Say 55 colours, as I said before. Let me just get this to lie flat and we will have a look for some of the ABs. I like to know where the ABs are. I've always been really happy with the AB placement from Oraloa. I do tend to find they're pretty good at spreading the ABs out. As beautiful as ABs are, I do find too much can be too much, dependent on the colour. White, you can definitely get away with a lot more because the bling or the shine on them is a little bit more subtle than on some of the dark colours. But we have a red 606 and that is present in these flower petals. So I can see them quite a few on these red flowers. We also have a little bit on the roof and then quite a bit down that side part of the roof. So we have highlights on the roof and highlights on the flowers. It's much easier to tell where ABs are on a smaller painting. Then we have 819, which is a pink, she says, as she struggles to find it. No, it's here. So we have little highlights on the inside part of the house, so more the actual house itself. There are highlights, not all of it. And then the inside of these clouds, we have quite a bit more. So quite a bit of sparkle on the inside parts of these clouds. And I think that's it. There may be the odd other place, but nothing else is... Oh, there's a little line of them here. On like the little stone type pillar, maybe. Or a little fence post or something. I think it's a fence post, it is. There's a couple on the fence posts behind the flowers. So that's 819. And then last but by no means least, my favourite lime green of 907. And for that we have highlights in the leaves, highlights in the grass. There's some highlights here in the grass. Anywhere else? Do we have any in the trees? We do have a little bit in the trees. Just a touch or two of it in the trees, but it's primarily in these little leaves and in the grass. So we have highlights on the house, highlights in the flowers, and highlights in the clouds, which I think is going to be a really nice mix. Just checking that there's none in the water. So I'm not seeing any ABs in the water, but with that being the background as well, I think we'll find that there is plenty of ABs to sort of highlight all of those little spots. So yeah, this is a really, really pretty painting. So I will pop a link and a discount code in the description down below for you to grab this painting if you'd like it. The most recent selections that I have got from Oraloa that I will be unboxing over the next few months are a little bit smaller than some of the really, really big paintings, because yeah, you need to highlight the smaller ones as well as the bigger ones, because this is still ginormous to some people. I forget after diamond painting for 5-6 years that I'm used to really, really big diamond paintings, but not everybody is. And there are some absolutely gorgeous smaller large paintings out there, this being one of them. So anyway, any questions, do bob them in the comments down below and I will do my best to answer them. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.